Students, fifth means already completed. So that is the decimals of additions, multiplications, the subtractions is finished. So today classes that is a division of decimal fractions. So main is what students in the division of decimal fractions. Students, you already have to learn that is divisions of addition, subtractions, and multiplications. So now the division of decimal fractions. The division decimals of fractions. So can you see? First, I will show to an example, students. You have to open the page number, that is exercise. Already you know. That's just now I will show to an example. So given to an example for in your reader, that is a 92 page number. Solve this. So question is not solved. Already gave to your reader. So this is question is 100 divided 100.0 divided 25. Students, the question already given them an example. Now I will show you that is examples. So this is question is what for this question. 100 0 point that is 100.4. Yes, that is what 100.4. You have to divide. So the symbol is 25. So how to divide in 25 instruments? Can you observe this? So 100.4. Students, you have to observe. Already I told that. So that is what. How many number of rows here point? Can you see? Yes. So one number of rows point. Yes, you have to in that divide. So 25, you know. So one number of rows point means, so this number you have to take, that is 250. So this you have to write this 1004 because the points already, that is point means that is moving to outside. The point is moving means that is how to take for here 0. So here what's when 0.100.4 divided 25 means, so that is point is moving. So this is 1004 divided 250. Students, how? Because I write for year 0, year 25, here I have taken 250. How we can you observe for here? So because your point is I will to moving means, so divide means you have to take the quotients means the divisors value you have to take it, that is 200. So now can you see that? So this is one method. So again one method. So again method is what? This method is what? 105 or 1004 by 250. You have to do the divide. So this is one method. So again one method. Can you see which method you have to easily? You have to that is a method you have to practice that method. Okay. So you have 100.4 divided 25. Students, what? 100.4 divided 100.4 divided 25. So I have to write for here. So first divisor is 25. So divided is 100.4. 100.4. But sometimes you have to write the point. So better in sometimes you have to confusing means you don't write the points. So first I will show you the methods for now. So students, you know 25 5s are 105. You know that is a 0 0 0. So you have to take it down 4. Down you have to take the 4 means, students have to take the down 4 because you have to compare in divisor and divider. Divisor is a less that is a high value, so the dividend value is a that is low. So you have to take that, you know, that is not that you have to write a point for here. The point means you have to take the 0. Students, point means you have to take the 0. So you know already you have to write the quotient in point. So must and should we have to take in divided with 0. So because what is the value? 40. So 40 means 25 ones are that is 40. So 40 means you have to write the zeros here. So you have to write the students in, since 4 is not, that is the 4 is not a multiple for the 25, because you write the point and the 0. Must and should you have to write them in a divisions. Okay. So 25 answer 25. So you have to write here 5. So left for here 5, here 1. What is the value? Here that is a 15. So 15 means students again you put the value. So already one time you have to write the point and 0. You have to take in some time next you have to take the zeros, because 15 is you have to compare divide and divisor. 25 is higher, this is a 15 is so lowest means already point put on, so I have to take the zeros, that is 150. So 25 6 150. So value is most one 0 0. So this is very important. This is what value 5.016. This is a value. So what is the quotient means? The quotient is what? 5.06. So already given to your reader. So just I will show you one example. Students, now page number that is 97, that is a 97. Yes, 97 97. Students, can you see in find the quotient? Find the quotients means, so students find the quotients. So we have to see. You have to observe the questions for here. Find the quotient. Question number 8, 2.4 divided 4 is equal to what is the value? So this is the question. So next question, can you see for in C? So C is different, 1.21. So divided the 110, what is the value? Students, find the quotient. So already you know how many parts of the divisions necessarily divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. But now you have to calculate quotient. Yes, students, how do you calculating that is quotient? Yes, how do you solve for this quotient? Can you see for quotient? First you have to write the solutions that 2.4 divided. Students, you can observe that 2.4 and 4, which you have to compare which value is more. Yes, because 4 is a more. So 2.4 means that is only 2 and off, but this is a 4. So 4 and 2.4, which value is a more for? That is a 2.4 is a lesser, so 4 is a that higher value. But students, can you see this is a value? What is the name of the 4? That is in the division. So this is a divisor. So 4 is a divisor. So 2.4, that is a dividend. So dividend means students, first you have to arrange the numbers. The 4 is the divisor, so 2.4. 2.4 means, students, 2.4 in 4 tables is not coming, but 24 is now that. So 24 means must and should better you have to take for here. So I told for one method, given to 2.4 means, students, point is moving for this side means in a divisor value is 40. That is the values means better. So how to write for this is means come to here 24, the value is the 40, come to here 0, but that method is that one method. So now I will go to this is a division method. So this is a division method. First you have to can you see, students? So you have to move the points means come to here point. So here is 0, that's a 24, this is a 40. So this is a 24 and this is a 40. So the divisor is a 40, so dividend is a 24. So moving the point, how to move the points is so 40 divided 24. So afterwards can you see, students? First I show to this question. Okay, in same method. So this one method and this method. So now can you see 2.4 is not coming, but 24 is came. First you have to write the point in 0. Yes, because divisor and dividend comparing to, so divisor value is higher means dividend lesser means not right 0 point. So 4 6 means students 4 into 0.4. What is the value? 2.4. Students, can you see? So 4 into 0.5, so that is a 2.4. Yes. 4 into 0.4 is, that is the value is 2.4. So how to do subtract that in 0, 0. Students, what is the value? 0.4. The quotient is, students, in quotient is 0.6. So this is the quotient. In this question same I will show to. Now can you see? So this is the first method. So next method is what, students? Question is what given? 2.4. This divided 4. Yes. In dividend value is 2.4, the point is moving means this is a 24, but the divisor value is 40. Divisor value is what, student? That is a 40. So now the 40 divisor is a 40, 24 is a dividend. So compare. Yes, the dividend value is lesser. So lesser means must and should you have to write the point 0. So here right for that this is a 240. Students, the value is 240 because you compare it for that divisor and dividend, because divisor value is more than. So how to write for it? You have to quotient, you have to write the 0. Afterwards you have to point, you have to come to for here 0. What is the value? So this is value is 240. The 240 students, can you see in you have to search the table in 40 table 240. Yes, 46 students, 46 are 240. Yes, you have to write 46 are 240. 0, 0, how to do the subtract. Students, can you see quotient also? What is the quotient for here? 0.6. Students, and this time this method. So this is a traditional item. I will show to shortcut, but this is a common division method. This is a shortcut method. So you have to move the points. You have to move 2 points. This is 2.4, 2.4. What is the subtracted? This is 0 values. So can you see here also quotient is 0.4, but the answer will be same. Method is a different. So with method is very easy means you have to apply. But in the present, so you given to the reader. So find the quotient means first you have to do the divisions method. So this method is very important. So this and this is method is same, but sorry, method is different, but the answer will be, that is the result will be same. So students, that is especially mathematics. For methods is different. The answer will be same means the that problems is correct. So solve the problem. That solve the problem is the correct. Okay. So better this method or this method, choice yours. You have to solve it. Okay. So next question. So this question can you see? So this is 1.21 divided 110. Again 110. So 1.21. Students, 110. 110. This is a value is more than, because that is a value is higher value, but 1.21, this is a very lesser, because so 1 point, that is 1 rupees 21 paisa. Just you have to compare to in rupees means. So this is 1 rupees 21 paisa, but that is 110 rupees. Students, which value is more? Yes, because 110 rupees is more than. So 110 is a year divisor, but 1.21, that is a, yes student, that is a dividend. So dividend means, just to, can you observe this question? So first students, so how to write first? So 0 means 11 into 0, you have to write for that zeros. So students, see for this question. So next question, you have to take zeros values means the point you have to write one side. So 110 into 0.1, what is the value? So that is 1.1. You have to multiply that. So this is value, students. 110 into 0.1. So 1 into 1, 0, 1, 1. So next is 0. again 0, that's 0. What is the value? So here 1, 1, 0. So that 1, 1, 0 means, students, the number one number of our point means, so 1.10. So we have to consider 1.1. The value is, we have to consider that is a 1.1. So now we have to take 110 into 0.1 multiple, that is the value is 1.1. Now to do the subtract here 1, 0. That is next one we have to take it 1. So students, what is the value for 0.11? 0.11 means that is you have to take, that is the 11. So 11 means next you have to take it again, say the again 0. Same value because already you know that. So we have to take in again one side. So 11 minus you have to subtract that in 0. Students, what is the quotient means? Because 1.21 divided, so you have to take the zeros means you have to write for here 1 zeros. Because two numbers you taken 0, 0 subtracted, so 1.21 divided 1.0, so that is the value is 0.011. The value is what? 0. This is the quotient. Quotient is what, students? 0.011. Students, this is some difficult, some hard, some difficult questions, especially. But carefully how to solve this. Solve to one by one question, students. Okay. In the next question, next is very easy. Given to that 3.6. So D is 8.1. Very easy because students, you know, 8.1 divided 9. So 9 means this is you have to take it 8.1. So 0.9 into 0.9. Yes, the 9 into 0.9, the value is 8.1. So how to write for 8.1? 0, 0. So what is the quotient means in especially D quotient, that is the quotient is a 0.9. Very easy, students, but carefully you have to solve it. So remaining questions is very easy because in find the questions means in especially A question and C is a very different. Already I solved it. So remaining questions is same. Students, again one can say 6.3 divided 7. Already you know 7 is the divisor. So 6.3, yes, 0.9. 7 into 0.9. So 7 into 0.9. What is the value? Yes, that is 6.3. So subtract that is 0. What is the quotient? The quotient is 0.9. The quotient is what? That is a 0.9. Okay. So this is okay, students. In the next divide, now in this exercise divide is 7. Okay, in today classes I will give up to enough. So next classes I will take to continue in this chapter. So remaining chapters is what, that is a divide. So in same method of the 7th main. So tomorrow classes I will take to in the next the remaining parts. Okay, students. So yes, 7th main and 6th main, always that is the same method, but 7th mains is given to the more numbers, but you compare in 6th and 7th main. So 6th numbers, 6th mains is given to lesser number, means in 3 digit, 4 digit, but 7th main is just divide, so 1 up to 2 or 3 to up to given that